So hi everyone, welcome to Unique Thread Sarees. This is Nasir. So what we have bought for we have bought the most budget friendly product for you. These are the products that are priced only at rupees 400. You can't imagine how we can give the products like this in the range of 400. I'll explain you the products also. All are single pieces. Today is a special day for me. I'll be giving all the product at best price possible, but all will be a single product. So don't miss it. Just go to the link and purchase. So this is the first product that I'll be showing. This is a pure cotton check sari. As soon as you will be getting your saris in the range of 400 or 500 or 600, you will be loving all the products. So this is the first product in the range of 400 rupees. This is the pure cotton sari, pure cotton check pattern sari with a Ganga Jamuna border both the sides. And now coming to a second, this is yet again a pure cotton check sari at price of rupees 400. These are priced at rupees 1500. You can't imagine at what price we are giving you. You will be getting a jacquard border also with this. So this is the exclusive color combination that you will be getting. This is the second one. Coming to a third one, again a pure cotton sari at 400 rupees. So let me show you the sari. This is yet another a different color combination, a green with red color combination. This is not regular common green that you will be getting. This sari is priced at rupees just 400. Coming to another color, this is a gray color soft silk sari. This is a gray color soft silk sari. Just have a look at it. This is a single piece to have. Nobody should miss it, but definitely somebody will miss. Only a single person can buy it. So as soon as you see the link, just purchase it. Don't see anything, don't ask anything. Now coming to a last product of the 400, this is a tissue silk that you will be getting at 400. This is a tissue stripe pattern, and you will be getting a broad orange border with this. So these are the 5 products. Don't miss and stay connected. We have more products to upload. As soon as you see the link, just go and purchase.